wondering what clothes to wear. She puts on the makeup and brushes her long blonde hair. And then she asks me, do I look alright? And I say, yes, you look wonderful tonight. We go to a party, everyone turns to sing. There's that beautiful lady, she's walking around with me. And then she asks me, do I feel alright? And I say, yes, I feel wonderful tonight. I feel wonderful because I see the love light in your eyes, and the wonder of it all is that you just don't realize how much I love you. It's time to go home now. I've got a naked head, so I give her the car key. She helps me into bed, and then I tell her, as we switch out the light, I say, my darling, you were wonderful tonight. Yes, you are. Oh, my darling, you were wonderful tonight.
Give it up for Morris.